Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can schedule an email in Outlook in 2025. So the process is really simple. You just need to follow this step-by-step guide. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if you click on new mail, and then here you just need to provide your address. Like I'm going to send a mail to this address, so I will provide this one in here, and once I did, then I will add a subject. So once I complete my writing, and then I will come over here to the send. So I will not click on the send button. Instead of this, I will click this icon, and once I click over here, then here you can easily schedule send. Just click over here and you can see there is a couple of options, like tomorrow morning the email will be sent, and similarly Sunday morning the email will be sent, and you can set your custom time here. So it's totally up to you, and that's really amazing. So once it's done, as you can see, it already been sent. So this way you can easily send, and here you can see this is the schedule and it already been in draft. So if you want to send email properly, then here you just need to be write a proper email, then you just need to be hit the schedule, and in this way you can schedule an email in Outlook in 2025. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.